Hi children and hi dear parents. Now today we are going to start with a new chapter. Hmm? This chapter is about regarding the honesty. Honesty. Now what type of a child you are? Are you honest or are you dishonest? Okay. Do you have greediness in your mind? Greediness means atyagraham manasil. Do you have that greediness in your mind? Obviously no, isn't it? Okay. This chapter is tells you about the importance of honesty. Okay. So the chapter's name is ईमानदारी का इनाम. Part 12 ईमानदारी का इनाम. What do you mean by ईमानदारी का इनाम? ईमानदारी means honesty. Inam means prize or reward. The reward for the honesty. The prize for the honesty. So let's see what this chapter is. Let's start children. Ready? Take your textbook, page number 66. Let's start. छोटे से गांव में एक गरीब लकड़हारा रहता था. Once there in a village a poor lakadhara woodcutter was living. Once in a village a poor woodcutter was living. वह ईमानदार और मेहनती था. What of a person he was? He was ईमानदार. He was very honest as well as मेहनती था, as well as very hard working. So he was a person of very honest and was very hard working. वह रोज जंगल में लकड़ी काटने जाता. Daily he always used to go to the jungle, to the forest. For what? To cut the woods. और लकड़ी बेचकर अपने परिवार का पेट पालता. And he will sell that woods and he will take care of his family. Thus his family lived with that money. जंगल में जाने के लिए उसे एक पुल पार करना पड़ता था. So for going to the forest, what he need to do? He needed to cross a bridge. Pull means bridge. वह रोज उस पुल पर खड़े होकर नदी में देखता था. So daily he used to stand over there on the bridge and always looked into the river. उसे नदी का नीला पानी बहुत अच्छा लगता था. He liked that blue color of water very much. एक दिन वह पुल पर खड़े होकर नदी के पानी को देख रहा था. So one day he was standing over there on the bridge and he was looking into that water. अचानक उसके हाथ से कुल्हाड़ी छूटकर नदी में जा गिरी. Suddenly the axe that was there in his hand, it slipped off from his hand, it fell into the river. लकड़हारा बहुत दुखी हुआ. Because of that, लकड़हारा, the woodcutter, he became very sad. और उदास होकर नदी के किनारे बैठ गया. And he became very sad. He went and sat there on the side of the river. वह सोचने लगा, मुझे तो तैरना भी नहीं आता है. And he started to think, what was that? मुझे तो तैरना भी नहीं आता है. I don't know how to swim also. मैं अपनी कुल्हाड़ी नदी से कैसे निकालूंगा? How will I take my axe from the river? Because I don't know to swim. तभी एक सुंदर जलपरी नदी से बाहर निकली. So what happened at that time? A beautiful mermaid came out from the river. उसने लकड़हारे से पूछा, तुम उदास क्यों हो? He asked the woodcutter. Who? The mermaid asked the woodcutter, why are you so sad? लकड़हारा दुखी होकर बोला, नदी में मेरी कुल्हाड़ी गिर गई है. Being sad, the woodcutter said that here in the river, my axe has fell down here in the river. जलपरी बोली, तुम दुखी मत हो. जलपरी said, the mermaid said that don't be sad. मैं तुम्हारे कुल्हाड़ी नदी से निकाल देती हूँ. I will take the kulhadi, I'll take the wood, I'll take the axe from the river and I'll help you. जलपरी नदी में से एक सोने की कुल्हाड़ी निकाल कर ले आई. The mermaid, she went into the river, inside the river, and she brought an axe which was of gold, which was made up of gold. सोने की कुल्हाड़ी देखकर लकड़हारा उदास हो गया. But when he saw that gold axe, he again became very sad. वह बोला, यह मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं है. He said that this is not my axe. जलपरी फिर नदी में चल गई. For the second time, again she went into the river. The mermaid went back into the river. जब वह बाहर निकली, उसके हाथ में चांदी की कुल्हाड़ी थी. And when she came out back again, when she came out, what was that in her hand? In her hand, the axe which was made up of silver was there. The silver axe was there in her hand for the second time. लकड़हारा ने कहा, यह भी मेरी कुल्हाड़ी नहीं है. The woodcutter again said, this is not my axe. This silver axe is not my axe. जलपरी ने कहा, फिर कोशिश करती हूँ. The जलपरी said again. The mermaid said again, okay, I will try again. इस बार जलपरी लोहे की कुल्हाड़ी लेकर आई. For the third time, what did she bring? She brought the iron axe from the river. अपनी कुल्हाड़ी देखकर लकड़हारा खुश होकर बोला. He saw, the woodcutter saw his own axe and he became very happy and he said, हाँ हाँ यही मेरी कुल्हाड़ी है. He said, yes yes, this is my own axe. जलपरी लकड़हारे की ईमानदारी देखकर बहुत खुश हुई. जलपरी, the mermaid, was very happy to see his honesty, the woodcutter's honesty. और बोली, तुमने सोने और चांदी की कुल्हाड़ी देखकर भी लालच नहीं किया. And she said that I gave you the gold I gave you the gold axe and the silver axe, but you didn't show your greediness over there. अब मैं तुम्हें ये तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ देती हूँ. Now I am giving you this 3 axes as a gift to you. अब यही तुम्हारी ईमानदारी का इनाम है. This is the prize, this is the reward for your honesty. तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ लकड़हारे को देकर जलपरी नदी के अंदर चली गई. तीनों कुल्हाड़ियाँ लकड़हारे को देकर जलपरी नदी के अंदर चली गई. She gave that 3 axes, that is the gold axe, the silver axe and the iron axe, as a reward, as a prize for the honesty of the woodcutter. She gave that to the woodcutter and again she went back into the river. I hope you understood this chapter. I know that you will be knowing this chapter, isn't it, children? In your previous classes, maybe you have learned this chapter, isn't it? You have learned this story. So this is regarding the honesty, how important a person honest should be. He should be very honest. That is what this chapter is telling about. The seek, the moral, ईमानदारी का फल मीठा होता है. That is, honesty bears sweet fruit. Always show your honesty. Nothing is going to happen if you show your honesty. Be truthful always. Okay, children. Now these are the meanings. Underline the word in the textbook itself. Write down these meanings there on the textbook itself, near the word, from page number 66 and 67. So these are the words, children. Underline it and write it. Garib, poor. Imandar, honest. Rose, daily. बेचकर, sell. परिवार, family. पुल, bridge. उदास, sad. किनारे, on the side. तैरना, swim. जलपरी, mermaid. Some more meanings are there. सोने, gold. चांदी, silver. कोशिश, try. लोहे, iron. तीनों, 3. Under, inside. So underline these words and write down the meanings in the textbook itself. And make sure that you are reading this for 5 times. Okay? Clear, children? Yes. Thank you.